right, live stream is on. So, hello everyone. Welcome everyone. Hi, welcome to the Simple Forex Setup Show. I'm going to be going through 10 currency pairs and we're going to be looking at setups on the H4 timeframe to see what trade setups coming up today and over the next few days. So let's get started. I will share my screen. If you have any questions and you're live here, just pop them into the chat box and I will check on them and I'll pause what I'm doing and explain and answer your questions as we go. All right, here we go. So today we're going to start with GBPUSD. So let's have a look. This one, I'm looking for a long opportunity at the moment. So if we have a look at where we are from the higher perspective, just that little trade to potentially to that level. So on the daily, we've got quite a bit of room, and certainly on the 4-hourly, there is a bit of room still to go. So looking at the reversal around this pullback, and I've placed a pending order already for this trade. So, you know, entry up here, stop loss below. If you want to see the actual details of the trade, just hop onto the Telegram channel and all the details are there. So just waiting for this, see if this trade is going to play out and go up. First profit target is around the tops here, second is around here, and then last one's up there. So looking for long on GBPUSD. Next currency pair I'll be looking at is EURUSD. Now this one also in a long, but we do have some upcoming resistance. So I'm not as confident with this trade because I don't think there is enough room. So I will not be entering this trade, even if there is a reversal around this area. I think the pullback would need to be a little bit deeper to allow enough room to take a trade up. So, so at the moment, yeah, it's still a long for me, but I will not be entering this trade. Next currency pair, looking at AUDUSD. So this is now going up. So looking for long opportunities of that support level there. On the 4-hourly, I don't see a setup at this point in time. We do have, you know, price going higher than the previous high, which is great. So what we would need is really a pullback down to the trend line and into the entry zone area. So at the moment, there is really nothing to do but wait for a better setup. Next currency pair I'm looking at is GBPJPY. GBPJPY, so also looking at long on this one. Still a little bit of room left. Price is higher than previous high, so just looking for a pullback. So nothing at the moment. We need that pullback first to be looking for a long opportunity. Next currency pair is EURJPY. So EURJPY at the moment is going sideways. It is still in an uptrend. We've got the higher price action than previous high. So really need some decent pullback here At the moment, it's ranging. It might go up from here, but I prefer to wait for the pullbacks. So if there is a pullback, that might be a good opportunity to enter that trade as well. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USDJPY. Now, USDJPY at the moment, it's very high. So there is sort of nothing to do, even though if it does come back down to this level, it may still be a long. What I'm looking at is the two tops that are pretty much in line, which may signal the beginning of a reversal. But at the moment, because it's still within the upward trend, I'm not going to be going short at this point. Oh, sorry about that. So yeah, if we do have a pullback, then potentially looking for a long later on at some stage, but nothing really at the moment. Next one is USDCAD. So USDCAD, I'm looking for a long opportunity on this one. We're in a little bit of a consolidation, so going sideways here for a little bit. So possibly not a great area to enter. Might just see how this plays out. Yeah, I think I'm going to just stay away from this one. I'm not really sure, even though the sentiment for me would be long. Next currency pair is the Euro AUD. And this one I'm definitely looking at a long. So we've had the price going up for a little bit, and we had a good entry here last week. So now the price is coming back to the trend line. So I'm looking for a reversal anywhere around the top, the previous top highs, or here, and basically as close to the trend line as possible. So the trend line could be there if you don't account for the wicks, or there if you account for the wicks of these candles of that previous low. So definitely looking at a long on Euro AUD when we get that reversal at some point between now and the trend line. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EUROGBP. So EUROGBP, I'm looking for a long, but I am looking for further pullback first. So this one is not really ready yet. I'm looking for the pullback around the previous high here, or all the way down to the trend line. So next currency pair, and the last one is GBPCAD. So GBPCAD, I'm already long in this trade from a couple of days ago. So at the moment, we've had TP1 and TP2 was just at the top, didn't actually get hit. So at the moment, we're in partial profit with the stop loss already at just above break even. So looking at just staying in that trade and managing the trailing stop as the price action develops. So let's see how that goes. By the way, last week, I remember, I think it was Gary was in this trade, the one that we took last week at the bottom here. I got out at around break even when the price started to hover, but Gary, I think he was in. Let us know, did you hold on till TP2 and TP3? I would like to know, because that trade did end up profitable. So let me know. Hi, Gary. Let me know if you held on for TP2 and TP3. Anyway, if any of you have any questions about these trades, then let me know. Just pop it in the chat, ask away. Otherwise, if you would like to join the Telegram group for any trade setups and trade managements, I will post a link. Let me post a link. There we go. All right, the link to the Simple FOREX setup in a circle. You can join there for all the trade setups and management. All right, awesome. Thank you very much. If there are no questions, we will finish up and I will see you again next week, Wednesday at 12 p.m. That's 12 noon Singapore time. I'll see you then. Great trading. All the best.